Hey, this is Nikki from Off Grid Style. Why should you watch this video and how is it different from other first aid kit videos out there? Well, my husband Tom has over 28 years of experience as an RN and over 20 of those in some type of supervisory or management position in a very busy ER. This is probably why he's so grumpy. He has put together this list of what our medical bug out bag contains to share with you. Please let us know what you think in the comments. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thank you very much.